Hey guys, Human from Door One Health. Today I want to explain how to do seated leg care properly and a couple of points how to avoid mistakes that is very common when you're doing this exercise. So this exercise is specifically for hamstring, and hamstring's main function is knee flexion, which is bending your knee, and the second function is extension of the hip. This exercise specifically targets the function of knee flexion. So basically you're strengthening hamstring to be able to bend your knee. So first point is the position of your toes, because here the calf muscle, gastrocnemius, is involved in knee flexion as well. So just to deactivate these guys, the calf muscle, and only isolate the hamstring, you need to extend your toes, or they call it dorsiflexion, which means you bring your toes towards your knees or towards your chest. By doing that, you activate the opposite muscles, which is here. These muscles get activated, and then your calf muscle relax. So when they relax, then you can target your hamstring and focus on the function of flexion of the knee. So first point, don't do this. This is called plantar flexion, which means you flexing your toes, going downward. You don't want to do it. Keep your toes upward, pointing towards your knees, and then bend your knees. So this is going to isolate the hamstring and focuses on the function of knee flexion. Second point is you have to remember the second function of hamstring muscle is hip extension. But on this exercise specifically, you don't want to focus on that function. So to avoid extension of the hip, which sometimes you guys extend your lower back just to compensate, you need to grab the handles on the side, and as if you're pulling it upward. So you're pulling the handles upward, which is going to press your butt down to the bench. So this way you can stabilize your hips, and then you can focus on bending your knees. So by doing these 2 points, focusing on these two, you isolate the hamstring, and you can get 100% hamstring focused exercise by using this machine. So we got these pads that sometimes you can use them. These pads going to sit on the lower part of your quadriceps, and these are helpful too, because they can press your legs down into the bench and stabilize your hips when you're bending your knees. Okay? I hope paying attention to these points help you to have an effective exercise on this machine. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.